So we have to change the button name. Button name is insert. There is a login. We continue that part. So I pass here insert option. Okay. Oh, sorry. Insert. Okay. So already I add the database. I go to the service. In service, I open the database. That server. So I create a database. Database name is college. Database name is college. Now I connect it. Right click, then connect. देखियो जी दीपशिका रमेश जी देखो तो
आ गया
Yes.
आ गया
should I repeat how to create?
ना सर देखिए
So here I am not creating any table. So for creating a table, I define here. So first, based upon your application, we create what? Student ID, student name, address. Okay. So I move to the service. Then table, create table. Table name is, see that table name is student. Student. Then add column. Column name is suppose student ID. Student ID must be combination of character and letter. Varchar size is 10. It is a primary key. Primary key means duplicate is not allowed. So that you define as a primary key. Okay. Primary key means duplicate is not allowed. So you cannot duplicate the student ID. Then add column. Student name. Name is also Varchar. Then size is 30. Okay. So I define the size is 30 now. Then okay. Then add column. Then I pass here a DRESS. Okay. Then Varchar size is suppose must be address is 50 characters, so I pass 50 here. Okay. Then so I create a table. So table is now created. Okay. So next work is what? I have to create a connection to my user interface. For creating a connection to the application, Java class here. Right click, new Java class. Class name is ConnectDB. Okay, the class name is ConnectDB. Only Java class I'm added, which is for the connection related information. Okay, what is that? Like I define here, database connection, so that I before the class I have to import some package, import java dot sql dot star. Okay, then here I add some package for exception handling. Then I pass the driver name. So what is the driver name here? Driver name is the driver file we get from here. This is our driver. So you go to the property. Okay, so here we have this connectivity. Okay, so first I copy this part. It is your driver name, display name that you are getting. So you have to pass connection driver manager. As we define what connection con. The connection will establish the connection to your application to the database. Connection con is null. The connection equals to driver manager dot get connection. We are passing the path. This is our database. Create true. Our it is a username that already we given root. Password is root. Okay, so yesterday we have created this. I mean previous class right root. Okay. Then we start to write a program. Okay, just a minute. This one class dot for name. So you pass this one. It is a driver name. Then catch. You have to pass a generic exception. Exception is okay. Class dot for name. It is a driver name. So where you get the driver name? Again, go to the service. You get the driver name from here. Right click from college. Where is the college? This one. Right. You get a driver by right click in anywhere in the property. We get the driver name here. This one driver class. It is your driver name. Okay, so copy this driver name and you define here class dot for name, then driver name. Okay. So now I move to my program. This is my program. Sorry, this is not my program. Student information. Okay. So I have created connect DB. Then I have to create a servlet. Servlet name is insert. Okay. So I again right click new, then add here servlet. Servlet name is insert. Okay. Next, add information to deployment descriptor, then finish. So I have added the servlet here. Okay. First, what we did, first today I have start right click new Java class. So I give a name only Java class, not a servlet, only Java class connect.db. Okay, so here I pass the connection information to the database. Connection con equals to null. Now for to connect to the database, we require a driver. So for loading a driver, I pass here class.forname org.apache dorby.jdbc client driver. Then connection equals to driver manager.get connection. I copy this path from the services. I give your college name. Database name is college. Password ID is root. Password is root. Okay. So now for this we add the location. Then I move to the insert. I add a servlet. Servlet name is insert. So in the insert, I go to the do post method. In the do post method, first I have to retrieve the information. String ID equals to request dot get parameter. Okay. अच्छा एठी हमें कहां नाटा पास करिवा तो we have to pass the name of ID. Okay, so form ID is what? Input type equals to text. Okay, so here we have to pass name is equals to t1. Okay, the name property you have to define. So you have to pass here
अच्छा
t1.
जो प्लेस होल्डर जो रहिला नि
हाँ हाँ.
प्लेस होल्डर रो काम आउत टे कहबे
When you open the website, it is showing you enter a name. से जो text field लिखे हुआ नहीं by default enter name. Okay.
अच्छा से जो लाइट लाइट रे पूरा भीतर
Light
देखाई
color
दो
जोटा आसीबो. हाँ हाँ. When you
अच्छा
put
बुझली
on the cursor, then it is removed. Okay.
हां सेडा पळाय जो
The
बुझली बुझली
student ID is t1. Then string name is equals to request dot get parameter t2. So t2 were not given, we have to give. Then string address is a variable. Then request dot get parameter, you pass here t3. Okay, so we're not pass any kind of t1. Then here we have to give name is equals to t2. T3. Okay, so this is already created. Now we have to write a insert statement. Okay, for insert statement we have to write prepared statement pst empty equals to okay, so first of all we have to pass a connectivity. Okay, so we have to pass the two class here in the insert class. Okay, so insert class भितर हमें दीटा class pass करियो. Before that we have to import java dot sql dot star. Where I have to write, I have written in I have written in the servlet. Okay, the servlet में data pass करी connection con connectdb. Connectdb is the class name. Then I am calling a function. Function name is what? Function name is conDB. Okay, so I have to import. मैं pass करी connection con connectdb is the class name. conDB is a function name. माने function टाको मैं call करी को store करी con ने store करी. Then I write here ps equals to con dot prepare statement. So here I have to pass inserting command. Insert into column name is student ID, student name, comma address. Values is what? The values we are not knowing in now. So I pass here question mark, comma, question mark. For the three value I pass 3 question mark. Okay, so I put this thing into the try block so that it is try, then end of try. Catch exception E. Okay, so I put this into the try block. So ps equals to con dot prepare statement insert into table name is student. Insert into student. Column name is student ID, student name, address. Okay. Then बुझी होची ना बुझी होनी रोमजीत
आगे सर
बुझी होची बुझी होची
आगे सर आगे.
Then all the information that I have collected from the user interface I have store in the variable ID, name and address. So that value I have to given in the SQL statement. माने ये जो information गुड़ा को मैं SQL statement रे pass करी. तो केंद्र pass करी हुआ ना ps dot set string for the first parameter. First parameter is ID. The first question mark रे ID store होगा. ps dot set string. Second parameter I will store address ps dot set string. Third parameter I pass, sorry, second parameter is na, third parameter is address. Int count equals to ps dot execute update. Okay, so ps dot execute update, that's the thing I have passed. Then if the SQL statement is executed here, मैंने जो SQL statement हमें पास करवा SQL statement को execute करिया पे हमें use करें execute command. So when the information is added into the row, it is return the integer value. Okay, so that I define int count. So it is return the integer value count if it is greater than 0. मैंने if count is greater than 0, if count is greater than 0, then it is showing you the message showing you message that data saved successfully. Data saved successfully. If your data is not saved, okay, then for generating the output, where previously we were using system.out.println, as it is a web page, we are using print writer. Okay, so it is showing you in another page, data not saved successfully. Data not saved successfully. So I run the file now. Right click, run file. Now check whether my data is saved or not. Okay, student ID S001. Student name Romeojit. Address Pukhariput.
रिडायरेक्ट हो नहीं रिडायरेक्ट हो नहीं
Mhm. Insert method is equal to post. Everything is correct. Okay. So the time of one. So we have to pass here system dot out dot println. We pass here e. Okay, so I think it is over already. We completed. Okay, so tomorrow I will check
आगे
and actually what is the problem.
ओके सर
Okay, so next class I will show you. Okay, proper inserting command.
आगे थैंक यू सर
Hmm.
Thank you, sir.